Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. As we know, 0 is a number representing an empty quantity. Adding, or subtracting, 0 to any number leaves that number unchanged. In mathematical terminology, 0 is the additive identity of the integers, rational numbers, real numbers, and complex numbers, as well as other algebraic structures. Multiplying any number by 0 results in 0. And consequently dividing by 0 is generally considered to be undefined in arithmetic. However, as we noted in last video topic the history of -1, the negative number was discovered much earlier than the number 0. Why did it take so long time to discover the number 0? Today, we will answer this question talking the history of 0. We will cover the following issues. The idea before 0. The Babylonian Placeholder. India creates the true 0. The Arabic scholars spread 0. Arrival in Europe. Modern 0, the power of nothing. The philosophy of 0. Before 0 existed, ancient civilizations like the Egyptians, Romans, and Greeks had no symbol for nothing. They could count and calculate, for example, add numbers and multiply numbers. But if nothing was there, they simply left a blank. That made advanced calculation nearly impossible. The Babylonians were the first to come close. Around 300 BC, they used a small symbol, like two slanted wedges, to mark an empty place in their base 60 system. But it wasn't a true 0, it is just a placeholder. That is, it just meant nothing here. Not the number nothing. Here it would be necessary to mention how the ancient Chinese handled the 0, and used the round letter O symbol for 0. The Suanzi Suanjing, 1st to 5th centuries AD, describes how ancient Chinese counting rods enabled positional decimal calculations. Later texts explain that multiplying or dividing by powers of 10 involved simply shifting the rods. Empty spaces represented 0, which was seen as a placeholder rather than a number. By the Han Dynasty, 2nd century AD, Chinese mathematicians used negative numbers and decimals, as seen in the 9 chapters on the mathematical art, and Qin Jiushao's mathematical treatise in 9 sections, 1247, shows the earliest known use of the round letter, symbol for 0. The true concept of 0, as a number you can calculate with, was born in India. The mathematician Brahmagupta, about 628 AD, wrote the first rules of arithmetic involving 0, how to add, subtract, and multiply with this 0. He called it Sunya, meaning void or empty. Indian mathematics traveled west to the Arab world, passing the ideas to Arabic scholars. They adopted Sunya, and called it Ifr, the word that gave rise to our words cipher and 0. They used it widely in astronomy and algebra. In the 12th to 13th centuries, Italian mathematician Fibonacci brought the Arabic numerals to Europe through his book Liber Abaci, 1202. At first, people feared 0, linking it to nothingness and the void. But 0 was finally accepted, though it faced suspicion, even bans. This eventually revolutionized calculation. Once it was accepted, 0 revolutionized everything, from algebra, calculus, and physics, to computers, where binary code 0 and 1 became the foundation of the digital world. It transformed nothing into the foundation of everything we know. 0 is not just a number, it's an idea that makes the universe count. 0 represents nothing, yet gives meaning to everything around it. As we know, binary code 0 and 1 became the foundation of the digital world. Then, ternary code -1 0 1 may also became the foundation of quantum computer. As quantum mechanics, the Schrödinger cat has 3 states. It is time to come to end my topic. Next, following the timeline in the history of math, I will talk the history of rational, irrational, imaginary, complex numbers. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.